In this tutorial, I will be sharing with you how to make this water splash light bulb effect in Canva. So let's start with it. So I have chosen YouTube thumbnail as my canvas here, and so in the elements, first I will search here bulb. Okay, and after that go to photos, click on see all, and I will choose this image. Okay, and after that click on eraser. Make sure you click on magic eraser, and after that make sure you make the brush size low as 15, and after that just mark out the parts which you don't require, which is this tungsten part which I don't require here. Now click on erase. So as you can see, this tungsten part is erased. Now click on this cross button here. Okay, now rotate it to 90 degrees. Okay, and make it bigger. Okay, and place it in the middle, and after that just mark the ends with the ruler. Okay, and after that here I will write irregular curved frame. Okay, and scroll down here to find frames, and I will use this one which says the same name, irregular curved frame. Okay, and click on it and rotate it again to 90 degrees. Okay, and I will make it bigger to make it match the same level as the bulb. Okay, so it is matching now, and after that I will click on layer, click on show layers, and just move it below this bulb layer to check if it is working fine or not. Now I will click on here and search for goldfish looking for way out. Okay, and this time I will go to photos and use this image and use it in the frame here. And as you can see, the image is also rotated, so I will select this image and I will rotate it. So select this one and rotate it to here. Okay, so now you can make it smaller and move it above like this. Okay, click on done. Okay, and after that select this image again and just mark the frame part so that you can just adjust the another image here. Okay, now select this image and make it bigger to match the same size. Okay, crop here, so I will just match it here and match the layers here. Just click on this transparency, decrease it to check if it is matching or not. So now it is matching. Okay, now select this image, increase the transparency and right click it, go to layer, click on show layers, just bring it below the bulb. Okay, so here it is done. Now we have to hide this part because it is going just beyond this bulb. So for that I will just write here solid curl shape. Okay, and for this I will go to graphics and select this one which says the same solid curl shape. Okay, and I will rotate it to 90 degrees again. Okay, and bring it here and make it bigger. make it slightly smaller, and adjust it with the arrow keys. Okay, now just rotate it slightly, okay, like this, and change it to the same white color as the background. Okay, and now right click it, go to layer, again move it below the bulb layer. Okay, but as you can see, this one is not visible, so we have to go to layer and move this fish above the curl shape so that the fish is visible. But now as you can see, some parts are visible here also, so to remove those we have to select another shape, click on R to activate a square, change it to the same color which is white, and just bring it here and cover it. Okay, right click it, go to layer, below the bulb, so every layer will be below the bulb as you can see in here. And after that, make the bulb slightly bigger, and move it slightly above. So this adjustment is done. Now for the final adjustment, click on Ctrl+A to select all the layers and just make it like this. Okay, and after that here write shadow and use any shadow you want. So I will place another one shadow here and duplicate it and bring one shadow here. Okay, and just bring them below the layers, select both of them and move them just below the layers. So the design is ready. So hope you like this tutorial. So you can now remove the rulers and check the design. So this is the final design. So hope you like this design and hope you have learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.